Warhammer 40K is definitely one of the things we want to see at Tabletop Game Expo this year. The current status is that we reached out to 4 different clubs. 3 are really large. 2 of them in Stockholm. One is called SSG, one is called Grimdark. And then there's another really big one called Västerås Wargaming. And we also reached out to another one called Krigssvin, which is a student organization here in Stockholm. Turns out that Västerås Wargaming, which are based in Västerås, it's about 100 kilometers from here, have a tournament already booked very close to Tabletop Game Expo. And when I found that out, I actually looked into switching dates for Tabletop Game Expo, and I know you don't know the dates yet, but there's just no way we can change. So we're not releasing the date quite yet, but hopefully we'll get it signed soon and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So they're not going to be able to support any tournament at Tabletop Game Expo this year. Both SSG and Grimdark are going to lift the potential of them being involved to their organization, which is non-profit. So these yearly meetings, which I think both of them have pretty soon, they're going to lift it, and then the members are going to be voting on what they want to do. My understanding is that the student group are very interested, and SSG, my contact there, seemed very interested, but we'll see what happens. Today I visited Games Workshop, their shop in Stockholm City, and talked to them. It was very enlightening. They have a lot of things going on. They do support beginners in Warhammer 40K and other Warhammer games, but mainly in their store. So them coming out to Tabletop Game Expo is probably not going to happen. They did give me quite a bit of good tips and connections of other clubs around that might be able to support in other ways and actually be there in demo games and stuff like that. They also showed an interest in supporting any sort of demoing and getting beginners into this game, which really aligns to our value of welcoming new people. So it was really good to hear. And yeah, so that's the current status. Keep you updated on what's going on, and hopefully we can make Warhammer 40K part, maybe even a really big part of Tabletop Game Expo this year. More info to come.